serious. They don't stop you from working. They just slow everything down. You lose a few seconds here, a minute there, and over time, those small delays turn into frustration. In this video, we're covering simple workshop fixes that save time every single day. These are not major upgrades or expensive tools. They are small changes that remove friction, reduce interruptions, and make your workflow smoother without you even noticing. Let's start with one of the biggest time wasters, searching. Searching for tools breaks focus more than people realize. Even a 10-second search interrupts momentum. The fix is simple. Store tools where they are used, not where they fit. Convenience beats organization every time. Another daily time drain is resetting setups. If you constantly rebuild the same setup, you're wasting energy. Keeping basic jigs, stop blocks, and guides ready saves time every single project. Poor lighting silently slows everything down. When you can't see clearly, you move cautiously. Adding focused lighting to work areas immediately speeds up measuring, cutting, and assembly. Clearing your bench before starting is one of the fastest productivity boosts. A clear surface reduces hesitation and mistakes. You don't need perfection, just space to work freely. Batching tasks saves surprising amounts of time. Measuring everything first, cutting everything next, and assembling last keeps your brain focused on one type of thinking at a time. Using one trusted measuring tool prevents second-guessing. Switching tools introduces doubt and slows decisions. Sharp tools reduce effort. Less effort means faster, smoother work. Keeping tools sharp is one of the most overlooked time-saving fixes. Dry-fitting parts before final assembly prevents time-consuming corrections. Fixing mistakes early is always faster than fixing them later. Marking parts clearly prevents confusion. Orientation marks, reference faces, and alignment lines eliminate rechecking. Stop blocks eliminate repeated measuring. Once set, they turn multiple steps into one. Cleaning between phases prevents mess from becoming an obstacle. Small resets save big cleanup later. Supporting materials properly prevents wobble. Stable materials cut faster and more accurately. Simplifying designs saves build time and reduces error points. Clean designs often look better and finish faster. Planning the order of operations prevents backtracking. Backtracking is one of the biggest hidden time killers. Sorting fasteners before starting prevents constant pauses. Maintaining tools prevents slow performance loss. Tools rarely fail suddenly. They drift slowly. Avoiding multitasking keeps progress steady. Focused work finishes faster than rushed work. Using simple jigs removes repeated setup steps. Keeping reference lines visible avoids rechecking measurements. Listening to your tools helps catch problems early before they cost time. Avoiding feature creep keeps projects moving toward completion. Taking setup time seriously saves correction time later. Short breaks prevent fatigue mistakes that require fixing. Designing your workshop around workflow, not appearance, saves steps. Keeping clamps easy to reach saves frustration during assembly. Using consistent routines speeds decision-making. Limiting tool choices prevents decision fatigue. Inspecting materials early prevents later adjustments. Respecting setup time avoids repeated fixes. Storing frequently used materials near work zones saves steps. Using checklists prevents missed steps that cause rework. Resetting your space at the end of each session prepares you for the next. Mastering fewer tools increases speed and confidence. Protecting focus reduces mistakes. Trusting systems replaces hesitation. Setting realistic tolerances prevents wasted perfectionism. Labeling scrap areas prevents searching for usable material. Using sacrificial surfaces prevents bench repairs. Keeping measuring tools clean improves accuracy. Testing finishes on scrap avoids redoing work. Letting glue cure fully prevents failures. Managing extension cords prevents interruptions. Keeping walk paths clear improves safety and flow. Ending each session with a quick reset saves time tomorrow. These fixes don't feel dramatic. That's why they work. They don't change how you work. They remove what slows you down. When friction disappears, progress feels natural. Projects move faster. Mistakes drop. DIY becomes enjoyable again.